Tonight we're reading from 2 Corinthians 7:14 and 6:14, and it goes, "Be ye not unequally yoked together with unbelievers, for what fellowship hath righteousness with unrighteousness, and what communion hath light with darkness?" So the more you yoke yourself around unbelievers, people who sin, the unbelievers, the ones that don't believe in God, the more you surround yourself around them, the more you're going to be like them. So if you don't surround yourself with those people, you won't be like them, those people. And that's really just meaning. That's what the Bible says is meaning. But in my meaning to that, as long as you believe in something, dude, you're good in life. Life will treat you good.